Day 27. Plotly Studio. Plotly just launched Plotly Studio, an AI-powered desktop app that turns your dataset into a professional Dash app in just minutes. Start with CSV or Parquet. Refine using natural language. Deploy with one click to Plotly Cloud. The best part? You get clean Python code behind every app so both coders and non-coders can collaborate easily. Plotly is known for powerful visualizations, and with Plotly Studio, they've raised the bar turning raw data into dashboards in minutes. Fast, smart, and accessible, it's built for analysts who want speed and developers who need full control. We all know how time consuming building dashboards can be, but with AI and Plotly, it's now super fast. Plotly Studio lets you start with your data, refine with natural language, and deploy with one click. Clean Python code ensures both coders and non coders can collaborate easily.
Try it now at This is a real game changer for anyone who spends endless time creating dashboards. I'll definitely be adding this into my toolkit. That's day 27 of 100 days of AI automations.